but the monster's right there.
What's up, monkeys?
Bro, you're a monkey.
I'm coming with you guys. I'm coming with you guys.
We're doing monkey marathon. We're doing monkey marathon.
What is that?
What? Where we run away from the monster, but we don't get killed from the monster? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, shoot! He coming.
Bro, what?
Giggity. Oh!
I got killed.
He just said safe zone. He just said safe zone.
I said giggity.
Count.
Bro, I said giggity.
Oh, heck no. Quagmire for real. Quag.
What is
Quagmire
Sigma?
for real. I'm Family Guy. Come on.
I'm not going to go in the
Yo, monster, I'm the Sigma and you're not. I hope that upsets you, you stupid Sigma.
Oh, yeah, big boy. Bend it over, big boy.
Voice
Bro,
time.
if you see him, I'm running, dog.
You stupid monker. Oh! I didn't mean it! Bro, you just went in safe. I'm playing scary. I'm playing big scary. Wait.
Nah,
Go to level 19.